I am Geeta, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. We have to learn about physical layer. The physical layer deals with all aspects of physically moving data from one computer to the next. It converts data from upper layer into ones and zeros of transmission over media. It is basically defines how data is encoded onto the media used to transmit the data. In cable standards, wireless standards and fiber optic standards are defined on this layer. Copper wiring, fiber optics cable, radio frequency, anything that can be used to transmit data is defined on the physical layer of the OSI model. Hub, repeater are example for physical layer device. Next one is the physical layer is laying the foundation. There are three concepts: theoretical basis, guided media, wireless transmission. In theoretical basis, understanding the signals, their frequency, amplitude and phase properties for effective data transmission. In guided media, the physical pathway including copper wire and fiber optics cable that guide signal from source to destination. In wireless transmission, the radio waves, microwave and infrared signals enabling communication without physical connection. Next one is transmission media. Under the guided media, there are three components are available in the guided media: twisted pair, coaxial cable, fiber optics. In twisted pair, shielded versus unshielded variants, common in telephone lines and Ethernet connection. In coaxial cable, the central conductor surrounded by insulation and shielding. It is used in early internet and cable television system. Fiber optics. It is a high bandwidth and long distance transmission. It is a single mode for long distance, multi-mode for shorter runs. Unguided media, that is wireless. Radio transmission, microwave, infrared. These are the unguided media transmission. In radio transmission, omnidirectional signal across various frequency. Applications include AM, FM video, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Microwave. It is a bidirectional line of sight communication. It is used in satellite link and terrestrial microwave towers. Infrared. Line of sight, short range communication found in remote controls and some device pairing applications. Next one is physical layer under the communication satellite. There are three communication satellites are available in the physical layer. Geostationary, it is a fixed position 35,786 km above Earth. The wide coverage but significant latency 250 ms round trip. Medium Earth orbit MEO denoted as 5,000 to 20,000 km altitude. It is the balance between coverage and latency used in GPS systems. Low Earth orbit LEO 160 to 2,000 km altitude, minimal latency, that is 2 to 10 ms, but requires satellite constellation for continuous coverage. Next one is physical layer. This is the public switched telephone network, PSTN. This is consist of local loops. It is a individual subscriber connection to telephone exchange. Exchanges, switching centers that route calls between connection. Trunk lines, it is a high capacity connection between exchanges. Evaluation timeline. Analog era, it is a voice transmission over the copper wire. Digital transition, it is the conversion to digital signaling, T-carrier, E-carrier systems. Modern PSTN, it is a fully digital backbone with analog local loop. Dial-up modems, it is a early method for data communication over voice circuit. The physical layer is the mobile telephone system. In cellular concept, first one is frequencies reuse. It is the same frequency reused in non-adjacent cells. Cell splitting, dividing cells into increase capacity. Handoff, it is a seamless transfer between cells. For 1G in 1980s, it is a analog voice communication. For 2G, 1990s, digital voice and SMS introduction. In 3G, 2000s for mobile data and internet. In 4G, 2010s, it is a high-speed broadband. In 5G, 2020s, it is a ultra-low latency IoT support. The physical layer under the cable television network. Analog broadcast era. It is a one-way transmission of television channel over coaxial cable network. Digital transition. It is the conversion of digital signal enabling more channels and improved quality. Two-way communication. It is enabling internet access and interactive services through the same infrastructure. Thank you.